good. So really clap your hands for really whatever you want, yeah? I've been through a whole lot. Trying to relation, but I know God. Sex here when I'm beating up on top. Pray that the Holy One is on go try to get it. Has a look around me. So many motherfuckers wanna tell me, but an enemy will never drown me. They put up in the river, they found me. And I love myself. How do you get me? Tell me what you see. I put a bullet in the back of the head of the police. I look at the right hand, God, don't you try to hit one. One day in the time. Someone shot me, looking at you go crazy. What's it gonna do? Lift up your hand and keep moving. Look at the paranoia heart shit, peace dimension. Police up with my heart. On my sleeve, let the moment start. You know the miserable to the company. What do you want from me? Everybody lack confidence. Everybody lack confidence. How many times I wasn't sure was anonymous? How many times I should have made me promise this? Well, I promise this. I love myself. Tell me what you see. I'm gonna put it in the back of the head and ain't gonna believe it. Illuminated by the hand of God, caught and don't see shot. One day at a time. I wanna say it's a part outside. Gun in the street, rhyme with the hood, rhyme with the police. Rock to the corner with the line with the beat, and the bottle with the lead, and the bottle with the ski. Yo! Stay with administration. Ha, ha. I tell these cold faces, post up, be back, go from places. These are realities, peace on. No steam in the face of the beast. Clap them all out the whip, my life is strong to be honest. I love myself. Tell me what you see. Ha! I put a bullet in the back of the head of the bullet. Yeah. Illuminated by the hand of God, boy, that doesn't shine. Yeah. All day at a time. Sun will shine. Whoa. Now I want to do something with all y'all. So I'm gonna say something, and I want you to repeat it, yeah? You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Alright. Say, walk my bare feet. Down, down, valley deep. Be my over. My heart on the 1, 2. I was a walk next time. I was a wall next time. How to deal with the person never sees that. Listen, I can never feel a blessing. I can never see the I can never take a D. I can never buy a weed from the nigga that never lived like me. And it's nothing in my home that I feel. So you know what into the middle in my body. I'm so into the discipline of the leader. And flow into the cement of the holiness. Flow into the middle of the holiness. So not fake all your screws. I love my step. Oh, the Holy Spirit right now. Yeah. Alright. When I say Jesus, you say love. Jesus. Jesus. When I say Jesus, you say love. Jesus. Love. Whoa. Woo. Man. Now look at that. There's an easy little house in this song. So you don't want to have a play. Do your thing. We're just going to give it time to get my breath.